Hit the subscribe button now to follow my channel. Thank you for watching. I'm HaKDMoDz.
Target acquired. Activated.
Click Get the Key. Copy the confirmation address to the box above and click Unlock. Only works if you have subscribed. YouTube AutoDocWriter is the easy way to do notepad tutorials. No more bad spelling and or slow typing. Simply enter text you want to be displayed in your notepad document, then end each line with the enter key, which will select the appropriate delay based upon the length of your lines, giving the viewers time to read short lines and long lines without trying to race through and not actually reading your content. Then all you need to do is save the file by entering a name for the file and pressing the save button. If you want to check how your text sounds, press the read button and it will read it to you. Or if you're not good at typing and own a microphone, then simply press the listen button and then just start typing by voice after clicking the text box to begin and enter to end the line. See my tutorial for helpful demo. If you have any problems or suggestions, please feel free to send an email to my team at HaKDMoDz@live.com. Registered trademark 2015. Copyright HaKDMoDz trademark.
Welcome guys, HaKDMoDz here with a release for notepad tutorial users for YouTube makers. So I see in most videos with YouTube tutorials with the notepad documents, and they're slow typing and bad spelling, they go back over and they're slow and it's horrible to watch. So I thought perhaps a program for people like you as creators might make it easier if you can write your own notepad documents ahead of time. So I wrote a program for it. So quickly I'll just show you a demonstration on how it works. After you've unlocked, you enter your text into the black box at the top and end the line with enter. The line will disappear, but don't worry, it's not gone, it's stored into the program that you're creating. Okay, so I'll just quickly rip off a few lines, just random text. Okay, now this will help you gain viewers as well as subscribers, because you won't be taking time going over the text that you're typing, which makes it a lot easier as a viewer to read. So I'll just quickly whack out a few more lines. If you have any problems, suggestions or anything relating to this product or my channel, please leave a comment. This product is free and is only in version 3, sorry. So it'll change and update. So stay tuned to my channel for future updates if you like the product, and please like and share and subscribe. So you can also voice input. So if you're not a very good typer, you can just click on the box where I'm typing and turn the speaker on up in the top right hand side. The little speaker that comes with my program, you've got to hit that microphone button and then put the cursor back into where you're typing, and you can speak to it without a microphone, with a microphone, sorry, and that'll input text from your speech. Another feature I inserted into the program was a read back button. So whatever's in the text box, you can read back and listen to how it will sound to the readers, to the viewers, by pushing the read text button down there in the bottom left. bottom right, sorry, on this version. I've updated since this version, so there's a few modifications, but nothing too major. Also, there's a terminal function for once you've created your program, but we'll get to that in a minute. Okay, so also I've added delays. So if you're typing a long line, you're going to get a long delay, and this is automatic. You don't need to set this. So if you got 100 characters, it's going to take the duration of say 30 seconds to read that line, and then if you type in longer lines, say 250 characters, it's going to give it a longer delay so that the viewers get a chance to read your content. Okay, so I've nearly finished. I've put a few more lines in this text box, and I'll show you what the output comes out like. Okay, what else have I done? The debug function. This is not necessarily needed for just YouTube creators. This is just to show you that there's no back-end code trying to write your computer or any system settings or anything. It's just a simple, straightforward program that creates notepad documents for you as a YouTube creator. Okay, now to save the document, all you got to do is go down here into the save text box, name the name of the file you want to call it. I'm just going to call it tutorial, and then hit save.
Successfully saved to your desktop.
Okay, and you'll get a confirmation message like you just heard. Okay, so now that's saved to your desktop. Okay, there it is there.
You can run your program then by clicking the desktop icon or by manually using terminal for advanced users.
And this is how it will output. It'll write each line separately as a string instead of having to type it manually as a creator. Your viewers can get the chance to read each line as there's a delay based between each line. Okay, so that's pretty much got it. You can change the font of Notepad obviously to make it look nice prior to your recording. So then all you got to do is record this window, and your Notepad document will be nice, neat, and you can pre-check your spelling before you record your content, and it's nice and crisp and quick. You get what your message is across without having to manually type it and people seeing the quality of your typing skills.
Hey Race, how to use the terminal built into AutoDocWriter trademark.
Okay, so now if you want to use the terminal as an advanced user, all we want to do is CD into the home path, so home profile. That'll go to there. Now we want to CD into the desktop. Okay, now we just want to run it, so tutorial.bat. All the files are created as a .bat. This is the advanced way, or if you just a low-level user, just double-click the icon tutorial or whatever you named your program. You can minimize that back box, the blue. Do this by adding a shortcut to the tutorial, like create a shortcut on your desktop to the tutorial. I'll say mine's tutorial, but whatever you call your one, tutorial, create a shortcut, and then from there all you got to do is go run minimized, and then the blue box will be hidden, and all you'll see is the Notepad document open up. Okay, now I won't save it because it's not important. I'm just showing you how to use the program. Hit the subscribe button now to follow my channel. Thank you for watching. I'm HaKDMoDz.